G'day cocktail lovers, this is a popular Brazilian drink named after a popular Brazilian novel, Macunaíma, which I'm almost definitely pronouncing wrong, but it has two things Brazilians love, cachaça and Fernet-Branca. That makes for some really interesting flavours. Here's how we make it. In our shaker we put about 1 3/4 ounces of cachaça, add to that 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, and then we're doing 3/4 ounce, which is about 22.5 mils of lime juice, and finally 1/4 ounce, about 7.5 mils of Fernet-Branca. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then we strain that into a chilled rocks glass. Interesting touch, traditionally no ice and no garnish, even though it's poured into a rocks glass. It's a very interesting drink. It's got some great flavors. Give it a go. Macunaíma.